Good morning, ma'am. I'm Marwa from first year psychology. As a part of presentation, I had given the topic APA style. APA style is a writing style and format for academic documents such as scholarly journal articles and books. It is commonly used for citing sources within the field of behavioral and social science. It is described in the Style Guide of the American Psychological Association (APA), which is titled The Publication Manual of the American Psychology Association. The guidelines were developed to aid reading comprehension in the social and behavioral science, for clarity of communication, and for word choice that best reduces bias in language. APA style is widely used either entirely or with modification by hundreds of other scientific journals, including medical and other public health journals, in many textbooks and in academia. The APA got involved in the journal publishing in 1923. In 1929, an APA committee had a 7-page writer's guide published in the Psychological Bulletin. In 1944, a 32-page guide appeared as an article in the same journal. The first edition of the APA publication manual was published in 1952 as a 61-page supplement to Psychological Bulletin, marking the beginning of a recognized APA style. The initial edition went through two revisions, one in 1957 and one in 1967. Subsequent editions were released in 1974, 1983, 1994, 2001, 2009 and 2019. Primarily known for the simplicity of its reference citation style, the manual was established a standard for language uses that had far-reaching effects. Particularly influential were the guidelines for the non-exist language in APA journals. The first published as a modification to the 1974 edition, which provided practical alternatives to sexist language than in common page. The guidelines for reducing bias in language have been updated over the years and presently provide practical guidance for writing about age, disability, gender, participation in research, race and ethnicity, sexual orientation, socio-economic status, and intersectionality. APA 2020. APA style is prepared with the objective of standardizing scientific writing. It is suitable to cite such academic assignments as term papers, empirical studies, literature review, case studies, and theoretical and methodological articles. An APA style paper will have the following sections. First one, title page, then abstract, then introduction, then method, results, discussions, references, and appendices. APA insists on double spacing the entire manuscript and using Times New Roman font for text and Arial font for tables, while MLA system uses the author page citation in text citations and APA follows author date citation. I think it's more clear for you through the instances that I am explained. Example 1. Milton John 2001 studied the impact of colonial encounters in Asia. Muhammad Yousaf 2012 challenges the relevance of interstate boundaries. APA style bibliography with 10 entries from different types of works. First one, a book with a single author. John Langan, College Writing Skills with Reading, Boston MC Grow-Hill 2008. Second one, Narayanan R.K., The Vendor of Sweets, Rama Brothers 1998. Selina Job, How to Face Examinations, Max Publication, 2017. Aslam Nazir, The Way to Success, Rama Brothers, 2004. And the second part, a journal article with more than one author, John Verghese and Lily C.K. How to Avoid Litigation, journal article in Lawsuits, April 2017. And the third part, a journal article with one author, Santosh John, How to Be Happy in Married Life, article in the journal Medicine Today, December 2017. And Kumkum Roy, Two Ways to Look at a Dickens, article in the journal Literary Times, January 2016. Stephen John, How to Be Fit, article in the journal Health, November 2017. Rajan Krishnan, How to Improve Memory, an article in the journal Mental Health, January 2015. An unpublished dissertation, Shavan C.K., Can Present-Day Politician Lead India to Prosperity, an unpublished dissertation for MD thesis, 2016. Thank you. Have a nice day.